Welcome to the Videoworks TV. Today we'll talk about the service and refitting. Let me introduce our special guests of the service and refitting division, Laura, Alessio and Mario. Welcome.
Welcome on board.
Thank you, Captain. Laura, could you please tell us something about the service and refitting division? What's your mission?
The Service and Refitting division takes care of the after-sales services for the several yachts we manage every year. And our mission is to be always on the ball, providing a steady support in the upgrade of the AV and IT devices.
Oh, wonderful, Laura. You do a great work. Alessio, how do you infuse trust in your clients?
We simply care about our customers, staying side by side for any need. We make the difference thinking outside the box for the AV solutions that we propose, and we are available 24/7. Thanks to the capillary distribution of service points all over the world.
It sounds great, Alessio. If I were one of your clients, I would be really satisfied because you take care of me. Is that right, Laura?
That's true. Our We Care agreement is the right tool to let the clients feel safe with Videoworks.
Oh, simply perfect. And Mario, you are based in the US, in Fort Lauderdale. How does Videoworks ensure seamless service and support for clients in the US?
Yes, I am, Simone, and I work closely with our headquarter team to ensure continuity of service for our clients, maintaining constant communication to bridge regions and uphold our high standards.
Thank you, Mario. Alessio, what's the main peculiarity of the service and refitting team?
Our multitasking division is ready for any challenge.
Oh, a fantastic payoff, Alessio. Congratulations. For sure, all the clients agree with us. Thank you, Laura. Thank you, Alessio and Mario, for coming here today. And let's remind your contact info.
Helpdesk@videoworksgroup.com.
Okay, thank you so much, Laura. And take care of you, ladies and gentlemen, with the Videoworks Service and Refitting Division. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Ciao!